Hello everybody, this is Mahmoud from Software in 5 Minutes. Today we will talk about important Node.js concepts for beginners. We will talk about the difference between single-threaded and multi-threaded architecture. Then we will talk about event queue, event loop, and thread ball. So let's get started. So let's assume we have a program which has three independent functions, function 1, function 2, and function 3. So in single-threaded architecture, it will go function by function or instruction by instruction. Okay. In multi-threaded architecture, every thread will take or executes function of them. So thread 1 function 1, thread 2 function 2, thread 3 function 3. So it's so simple like that. Now let's see how Node works. So here we have a user, and it will send a request which is about some functions. It will send it to the server. Server will put those functions of the request into something called event queue. Okay. They are ordered in the same order they have been sent. Okay. So let's see the event queue in much details. So here is the event queue. It's considered as single-threaded architecture. It's executing the instructions one at a time. So for example, here we have console.log, hey there. It will execute it normally and easily like that. Now thread will go to next row in event queue, and it will face something related to database, which will considered as a hard work and will take much time. So event queue will tell that instruction, please go to event loop because I'm just doing the easy work. Okay. So event loop will take that function from queue, and then it will send it to something called thread ball. So simple like that. Back to event queue. Now it has some function called sum. This is considered as easy instruction. So it will execute it, then it will face the next instruction, which is file read. Back to the event queue. Now it will face some instruction called sum of two numbers. This is considered as easy instruction. After it finishes it will face reading from files, and this considered also as hard work and will take much time. So it will do as same as we did in the database. We'll send it from event queue. Event loop will take it from event queue and will send it to the thread pool. So let's see what's going on with that thread ball. Thread ball is multi-threaded architecture. Every hard work here has its own thread. Okay, so database collection has its own thread, file system has its own thread. They are executing in parallel. Any of them finishes first, it will send the output back to the event loop, and the event loop will do a callback to the event queue to execute any instructions that is dependent on that output we just get. Okay, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and suggest me any topics you want me to explain in 5 minutes, and thanks for watching.